Boost your confidence in rapid test results with CTK's ALTA Rapid Test Reader RTR1. The reader uses a CMOS camera and image processing technology to consistently read the presence and strength of test lines on a rapid test with precision. With the ability to provide quantitative differentiation between negative and weak positive results, the RTR1 offers accuracy and reliability in interpreting rapid tests. The RTR1 is able to read a rapid test within seconds and analyze 200 rapid tests per hour in batch mode. In addition to a pre-programmed menu for all CTK rapid tests, the RTR1 also gives comprehensive reporting with printed results and test images. Up to 1,000 results can be stored on the reader. These results can also be printed from memory and exported using a USB drive or computer. Setup is quick and easy with the RTR1 and requires only the scanning of a product barcode and insertion of the rapid test into the side slot. The user has an option of using single mode for a low volume test setting and batch mode for a high volume test setting. Pre-calibrated and ready to run out of the box, the ALTA Rapid Test Reader gives you optimum image-based analysis and ease of use compatible across all CTK rapid tests. As a medical device manufacturer with ISO-certified facilities, CTK Biotech offers high-quality clinical and research instruments to fit the needs of any laboratory. For more information on CTK's instruments and to see our full range of assays, control kits, and reagents, please visit us at ctkbiotech.com.